Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna start with sum number 17. It's very important sum also. Sum number 17, chapter number 15.1, area, perimeter, triangle and quadrilateral. The sum is the length of a diagonal of a rectangular land is 15 meter and the difference of length and breadth is 3 meter. Let us calculate perimeter and area. So first of all, we're gonna write that let length and breadth are L and B. So according to the problem, we can say that the difference between length and breadth is L minus B equal to 3 meter, where we can assume length is greater than breadth. So therefore we can say that L equal to, if B is went to the right side, therefore B should be plus, the sign change, so B L equal to B plus 3. So this is the equation number 1. Now diagonal is 15 meter. So if diagonal is 15 meter, therefore we can say that what is the formula of diagonal? Root over length square plus breadth square equal to 15. So therefore we can say that root over length means L square plus B square equal to 15. So therefore we can say that L square plus B square equal to 15 square, square rooting both sides. If we square both sides, sorry, it should be square both sides. If we square both sides, then this root is disappeared. So therefore L square plus B square equal to 15 square. So now we can say that L means B plus 3. So therefore in the place of L we can write that B plus 3 whole square plus B square equal to 225. 15 square means 225. Why? Because here we have to write that L equal to B plus 3. So therefore A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square. So therefore B plus 3 whole square, it means B square plus 2 into B into 3 plus 3 whole square. So B square means B square, 2 into 3 6B plus 9. So therefore here we can write that B square plus 6B plus 9 plus B square minus 225 equal to 0. From right hand side to left hand side, if 225 came here. So therefore B square plus B square equal to 2B square plus 6B minus 225 and plus 9. This should be 216 equal to 0. Now you see from these three terms we can take common 2. So therefore if we take common 2, here we can write B square plus 3B minus 108 equal to 0. So therefore if 2A equal to 0, we can write that A equal to also 0. So 2 into this term is 0. So we can write that B square plus 3B minus 108 is also 0. Now we have to deal with here the middle term factor. So 108 3B, we can write it into 12 into 9. So B square plus 12B minus 9B minus 108 equal to 0. So B plus 12 minus 9, B plus 12 equal to 0. So B minus 9, B plus 12 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that b minus 9 equal to 0 or b plus 12 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that b equal to 9 here, and here we can write that b equal to minus 12, which is not possible because breadth cannot be in the negative. So therefore breadth equal to 9 centimeter and length equal to 9 plus 3. We know that length equal to b plus 3. So therefore b means 9. 9 plus 3 equal to 12 centimeter. So we have to find the area and the perimeter. So area equal to length into breadth (12 into 9) 108 centimeter square, and perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 means 2 into 21. So equal to 42 centimeter. So here we're gonna find that area equal to 108 centimeter square and perimeter equal to 42 centimeter. Now we have to start with the MCQ type question. Very important type question here. So you see in 15.1, 15.2, 15.3, all of in these three chapters there are some short question and MCQ. These all MCQs are very important for this syllabus. So first we're gonna start with 19.1. The length of diagonal of square is 12 root 2 centimeter. The area of the square is. So we have to find the area of the square. So now we know that diagonal of a square is 12 root 2 centimeter. What is the formula of diagonal of a square? We know that diagonal of a square, diagonal is root 2 into side. So according to the problem we can say that root 2 into side equal to 12 root 2 centimeter. So we're gonna cancel out root 2 and root 2 here. So here we found that side equal to 12 centimeter. So therefore we can say that area equal to side into side. We know the area of the square is side into side. So it means 12 into 12. So 12 into 12 means 144 centimeter square. So therefore we can choose the correct answer is B from this lot. The answer is 144 square centimeter or centimeter square. Sum number 2. If the area of square is A1 square units and the area of square drawn on the diagonal of that square is A2 square unit, then the ratio of A1 is to A2. So we're gonna find the ratio of A1 is to A2. First of all of you first have to discuss this thing First we have to discuss this thing because the diagram is totally different here. Because first of all you have to know what is the diagram here. If this is a square, you have to draw a diagonal here. This is the diagram. First, it's a small square, and in this small square the diagonal of the small square is the side of another square. So we have to find the ratio of these two squares. So first let the side of small square is x centimeter. So we're gonna take this is side is x, this side is also x, this side is also x, so this side is also x. So therefore diagonal is root 2 into side means root 2 into x, root 2x centimeter. So this should be root 2x. So if this is a square, this side is root 2x, this side is also root 2x, this side is also root 2x, and this side is also root 2x. So the area of small square equal to x into x equal to x square. Area of this small square is, we know that a1, so therefore a1 equal to x square square unit. Area of greater square, which we know that a2, we know the area of the square is side into side, so area of the greater square equal to side into side. Its side is root 2x, root 2x, root 2x, so side is root 2x, so therefore root 2x into root 2x. Root 2 into root 2 means 2, x into x means x square, so 2x square square unit. So required ratio is a1 by a2. a1 means x and a2 means 2x square, so you're gonna cancel out x square in x square, so answer is 1 by 2. So therefore we can say that the correct ratio of a1 is to a2 equal to 1 is to 2. So this is the answer, 1 is to 2. We have to choose the correct answer from this lot is answer number 1, 1 is to 2.